Welcome to Top Tips for Hearing Devices with Veritas Hearing Malta. My name is Robin and today we're going to be going through changing a dome and wax filter. So I've got a few things in front of me on the table. We have the hearing instrument here, which I'll come back to in a second. We also have a packet of wax filters and we have a dome. This particular dome is an open dome. There are a variety of different sizes and styles, and clearly one of the things that I do as a hearing aid audiologist is advise you on which one is best for you. So we're going to be changing the dome and the wax filter on this hearing instrument today. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the old dome, and the easiest way to do that is just to grab the edge and just pull it off. That then goes into the bin. Once we've removed the dome, you can then see the wax filter, which is that round white piece in the middle there, and we're going to be removing that one and then putting a fresh one in. So if we get our packet of wax filters here, and if I open that box, you'll see there are some black stalks in there. If I pull one of those out, and on the one end we have a fresh wax filter, and on the other end an empty spike, which is a tool for removing the old one. So all I'm going to do is pop that spike there into the middle of the wax filter there. You'll hear a little tiny click as it goes in, and then I just pull that out, turn the tool around and pop the fresh wax filter in like that. This bit then goes into the bin. Then we take our fresh dome. Underneath the dome there's a little tiny cup in the middle. That just slots onto the end of the receiver on the hearing instrument like that. So I'm just going to push that in like that. Make sure it's pushed all the way on nice and tight, and we're good to go.